Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography. Today I want to show you the 4 varieties of cherry tomatoes we have growing in our garden. Come on and take a look. So it's Memorial Day weekend here in New Jersey, and our zone is 7A, and these are the Super Sweet 100s. Guys, we grew this from seed. I am blown away. Let me just step back and show you. So much bigger than any of the starts you can currently get in the nurseries, and it's just a vivacious, lovely looking plant. So Super Sweet 100s are supposed to be that classic round red cherry tomato flavor. We're growing it in the cage. We've seen a lot of the methods where they grow on a single stem. We're gonna go a little bit more traditional and just do this on a cage. You can see the little, get in there closer, the little flowers are open and it's starting. We have 3 plants of these Super Sweet 100s, so we're gonna get a lot of cherry tomatoes, but it's great because a lot we can give away to friends and family. But this variety is supposed to be really good in this zone, really hardy, disease resistant, and so far it is living up to what it's supposed to be. I'm gonna move on. Next to it here, this little guy we actually got today. This is the black cherry tomato, and I saw some taste tests from other YouTube gardening channels, and everyone says you gotta try the black cherry tomatoes. So these are supposed to be a little bit smokier flavoring. They're darker, like a purple tomato, and I'm just really interested to see what this tastes like. So we happened to see it at our local nursery and we picked it up. So from here, I'm going to turn the camera this way. These guys, we were looking for the sun gold. Every gardener talks about sun gold tomatoes, sun gold tomatoes. And the first couple of nurseries that we called, they didn't have anything. And then finally, the one said, I think we have it, not sure, come on in. Well, we just picked up these starts of the tomato sun sugar variety. And sun sugar is actually supposed to be a little bit more forgiving as far as like the cracking goes and the disease resistance. But this is our first year, so I don't know if all of this that you hear is going to be the same as the reality of it. But yeah, you can see that these starting plants are much smaller than that of our Super Sweet 100 that we started from seed. So I will be getting all the seeds to these next year if they are a hit. So I can't wait to do the taste test. I'll have to bring that video to you soon. Okay, moving over here. We did it. We finally secured 2 of the sun gold varieties. And we had to call around because a lot of places were sold out. And everybody says that this doesn't even feel like you're eating a tomato, that it's kind of like candy, almost like a piece of citrus. So I was really intrigued to see what this would taste like, and then also how it compares to the sun sugar. And people said, you know, other than it being a little bit smaller, these are known for splitting. So I'm going to see between the 2. If they are completely different, we will grow them again. But if it's something where, you know, there's not much difference between the sun gold and the sun sugar over here, then I will probably stay with the sun sugar, because why not? I mean, it's going to be, if it's disease resistant and a better all around plant, that's the way to go. So that was a quick rundown of our 4 cherry tomato plants growing. Please tell me what you have growing, because we love suggestions, and it's just kind of cool to see what you guys have going on in your gardens. So please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And thanks so much for joining us today. Have a blessed day.